Today we're talking about an introduction to inequalities. We're going to start looking at inequalities. First type of question that you're going to run into is negative 45 a solution of 2x minus 56 is less than or equal to 44? Remember, when you're dealing with inequalities, there's only 4 of them. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. They all have similar meanings. In this case, whatever this x is, when we put it together in here, it's going to make this half of the problem smaller than this half of the problem. Rather than put this in, go through a whole bunch of multiplication, what I'm going to do is just solve the problem like it's an equation. Divide this down through here. To get this x by itself, I'm going to add 56 to this side. I add 56 to this side as well. Okay, these are going to cancel each other out. That's 2x is less than or equal to 100. At this point, all I've got to do is divide by 2 to get the x just down to 1x. That's x is less than or equal to 50. I still haven't answered my question yet. My answer was, or my question was, is negative 45 a solution of this right here? In this inequality, the x has got to be less than or equal to 50. Negative 45 is less than 50, so the answer to this one is yes. Yes, negative 45 is a solution. In this next one, they want us to find 2 numbers that are going to satisfy this. Again, what I'm going to do is solve this down to where I have just m. It'll make it a lot easier. I divide this side by 12. There's nothing to add or subtract. There's no fractions to eliminate, so all I've got to do is divide. I divide this side by 12 as well. These are going to cancel out. That leaves me m is less than or equal to, in this case, 156 divided by 12 is going to be 13. As long as m is less than or equal to 13, all I've got to do now is find 2 numbers that'll work for that. Well, what's less than 13 or equal to 13? I can use 13 for one of my answers. I can also use something like 11, or I could use 0 even. As long as it's less than 13, it's an acceptable answer.